Team Bahay! Hello, Team Bahay! Thank you so much for joining us dito sa Beauty Weavers account. We're so excited. And grabe talaga, napaka-intense na dito, guys. As in, nagbabato-bato-pick sila for photo cards. Okay, Kuya Nelson, let's show them. May winner na sa table number 1. O, diba? Hello to our team Bahay. Again, we are gonna be with Beanie in just a little bit. Pero so far, yung groups, sobrang saya nila ngayon. Okay. Okay, ito sa table number 2, meron kaming winner. Siya ang winner natin for our photo cards. Say hello to Weavers, guys. Yes. Okay. And then of course, we have all of our other tables. I think we have a total of 11 tables. Oh, di ba? Quick math. Yes! Okay. So, is everyone done na sa ating bato-bato pick game? Hindi ba? Sino pa yung kulang? Okay, table 4.
Kuya Gaito ba mo?
Anim lang po kami.
Saan po yung iba?
Hello, kabilis.
Ayun, ang photo booth. Ay, ayun yung mga photo cards.
Kuya Gaito.
Wala, ako na yung sasali dito kapag wala sila. Gusto ko ng photo cards. Okay, so Weavers, kagaya ng sinabi ko dito sa 88 rooms namin, we are celebrating so much things. First of all, welcome back to Beanie. Congratulations, Beanie. Second of all, the conclusion of Coachella. Third of all, teka lang. Third of all, Summer Sonic in Japan this August. Fourth of all, we also have our Signals World Tour. Fifth is our Women in Billboard Awards. Sixth is going to be... Pero pa, as in, marami tayong celebrations today. Kaya thank you so much to Team Bahay for joining us. Ilan na ba siya, Kuya Nelson? Ilan na yung viewers natin?
35.
35,000 viewers! Grabe guys! It's giving Philippine Arena. Ganon talaga ang peg natin dito sa Weavers, di ba? Yung table number 4 natin. So, we will play bato pick already. Played and won the 8 photo cards. Congratulations! Okay. Sila ng bato pick. Balita ko may Viber group chat daw kayo.
Sige.
Tapos sino yung mga trentahin? Sino yung mga group na trentahin? Meron daw silang groupings. Ay, kayo po ba yun? Kayo pala, link sila. Okay. Diyos ko, kaya nyo yan, guys. Okay. Tapos, sino naman dito yung mga inverter? Sabi daw dito yung mga introverts. Ano? Nahiya na sila. Ay, Diyos ko, introvert na lang ko. Okay, go guys. Let's see kung sino ba ang winner natin dito sa trending group natin. So exciting. Ay! OMG! Good job, guys. Okay, go ahead. And we will play bato pick. Okay, we're about to conclude this in a few minutes. Okay, and then after that, we will celebrate and play more games with our walo. Yes, you heard that right. Diba? Maglalaro tayo ng games with Weavers. So, our 880 Blues is such an intimate Marian date for all of us. I think actually, yan yung gusto ko sa mga Weavers. And yung sabihin ko ba dati, diba? Maraming mga winners and opportunities to spend time with our nation's world group. And it's always so special and intimate. Kaya, napaka-special yung talaga Blooms sa girls namin. And not only sa girls, syempre sa aming lahat dito sa ABS-CBN. So maraming salamat. Hello? Okay. Let's see. Okay na ba yung natin? Yung players natin? For bato pick? Not yet. Okay, go ahead. So we can conclude our bato pick segment. Diba yung icebreaker, hindi na naging icebreaker, tubig breaker na siya. So sobrang totoo na naman. Sobrang, ayun, diba? Late to the party, sila tayo 30 minutes ago pa, diba? May winner na. Bongga, guys. Okay. Let's see. Who else Let's see how many more tables need to conclude their icebreaker game. Tapos malalaman na natin kung sino ba ang winners natin for our Bato Pick game. Congratulations! Grabe, winner takes all of the photo cards. Isn't that amazing? Sobrang generous talaga ng BB, not only BB, but sila BB.
Pwede na ba lumabas? Dito, sa floor. Why? Gusto mo ba?
Okay. So, sino pa dito yung mga tables na hindi pa tapos sa Bato Pick segment? Ah, yes! Okay na lahat! And dahil dyan, can I have the winners stand up? So that we can recognize it. Diba? May pa-fanbase sila. Congratulations to our winners who won our 8 out of 8 walo na photo cards for our icebreaker. Bato Pick photo card. Congratulations, guys. You guys can now take your seats. And since tapos na tayo lahat, I think we can all have our attention dito sa ating stage dahil ito na, the moment we've all been waiting for. Are we ready to meet our nation's girl group? Parang kulang yung energy natin, mga ate. Are we ready to meet our nation's girl group? Kaya naman, tawagin na natin sila. Let's give it up for Beanie! Yes, hello to our nation's girl group. Oh my gosh! Wait lang. Okay. First things first, gusto ko na sabihin kahit naiiyak ako. What the heck? Congratulations. Okay, Bloom, sabihin natin, welcome back, Beanie, in 3, 2, 1! Welcome back, Beanie! Okay, and dahil dyan, girls, I think, do you guys have anything that you want to say to our Blooms, the 88 Blooms?
Check. Hi, Blues! Narinig niyo ako? Sa lahat ng nasa likod, rinig niyo ba kami? Yes! Hello! I love your energy. Actually, guys, hindi itong pag-welcome sa amin. We feel so welcome. Thank you, guys. Thank you for making time. It's a Tuesday and alam ko yung mga work yung iba. Sino dito mga nag-leave? Sino mga hindi nagpaalam sa work? Yun. Yes, sana enjoy lang natin to. Yes, you are the lucky includer.
Yes. Oh, diba? Okay, so I think actually meron kaming surprise for you guys from our Blooms. Okay, let's call in our representatives from the Blooms to give you guys a mini surprise. And syempre, congratulations also to Beanie. Yes, you guys can take your seats. Go ahead, girls. Grabe, diba? They're here to celebrate with us. And also, we also want to recognize yung mga May celebrants natin, Maloy and Sheena! Yes! Happy birthday, guys!
Ayan na. Mag-aabot ba ako?
Happy birthday to you! Okay, from our... Okay. Perfect. Ayan yung surprise ng mga Blooms natin for you girls. To of course welcome you guys back and to congratulate you for a successful Coachella. And not only that, women in Billboard, Summer Sonic, lahat na. Okay. There you go. And we also have our birthday cakes for Maloy and Sheena. Ayun, o diba? May
Beavers.
Okay, Blooms, dahil may birthday cakes tayo, syempre, let's sing for Maloy and Sheena in 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yes, pwede po kayo mag-share. Okay, Sheena and Maloy, take your time to make your wish and blow out your candle. Yay! Happy birthday, Maloy and She! There you go. We wish you guys a very beautiful and successful year ahead. And I think our Blooms also deserve a photo op with our Nations Girl group. So let's have our Blooms dito po sa likod. I think, yes. Okay. Kasha po ba? Ay, wali. Okay, dito na lang po. Yes. Okay, let's have the tables move lang. Para may space tayo for the Blooms. Okay, there you go. Let's have our Blooms. Okay. Thank you so much to our Blooms for surprising our girls. So beautiful. Okay. Let's all smile in 3, 2, 1. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, thank you so much to our Blooms. And let's also have our bouquets and our cupcakes or mini cakes placed down kasi meron po tayong game with Beanie and our Blooms. We'll be playing a very short game with them. This is called our Be Back game. Yes, Beanie verse and chorus game for today. Okay, so habang tinatanggal po namin yung mga bouquets namin, we would like to call on our pre-selected Blooms to join us. This is one from each table. So we'd like to call on Bloom Shane, Jinky, Eunice, Dane, Jaya, Uno, V, and Chrisia to please come up on stage as you will be playing and you've been selected to play with our Nations Girl group. Again, Shane, Jinky, Eunice, Dane, Jaya, Uno, V, and Chrisia. Chrisia? Okay? Yes, please come up here on stage. Congratulations! Maglalaro po tayo ng game. Okay, here you go. Let's come up here. So, starting things off with Shane, Jinky, Eunice, and Dane. Sino po dito? Oh, ayun pala, may mga name tag sila. Okay, Shane, Jinky, Eunice, and Dane. And then let's start with Colette, Mix, Aya, and Staku. We are ready for game number 1. Again, this is Beanie verse and chorus. So, meron po tayong mahiwagang fishbowl. And basically, what you guys have to do, ang kailangan yung gawin, magbubunot po kayo ng lyric and you have to arrange the lyrics correctly and then sing together in unison. Okay? Sing your lyric. Okay, there's our mahiwagang bowl with the lyrics. Let's have, again, Shane, Jinky, Eunice, and Dane, please come up on stage beside our girls. Huwag kayong mahiya. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete! And dahil dyan, I think let's switch para alternate. Yes. Okay. Para alternate tayo. O, diba? I love the shoes ko ulit. Bongga. Okay. Let's have our mahiwagang bowl here and then let's make okay, magbunot tayo ng lyrics dyan. Tapos, we have 20 seconds to arrange the lyrics correctly. Okay, wag mo na. Wag mo na basahin. 20 seconds to arrange each other. Yes. I think this song is Sugar Rush. Tama? Okay. So the song is Sugar Rush. Arrange the lyrics in 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Hindi. So basically, teammates kayong lahat. Ganon. Okay? So you need to arrange again the lyrics correctly from Sugar Rush. Okay, pwede nyo nang basahin para meron kayong idea ng slide. Okay, 20 seconds starts now! Okay, ayan. O, diba medyo intense talaga tong game na to. May pa-time pressure. Okay. How many more seconds? Oh, nagbibilang si ate. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Ay! Okay, so wherever you guys are placed, okay, let's see. I think meron po tayong instrumental, tama po. Dahil dyan, I think meron mic dito si Stako. Since siya yung first. Tapos pass the mic ha. Guys, sabayan niyo yung song ha. Ay, ikaw yung first? Okay, sige. Jane is the first. O, diba? Tapos na yung 20 seconds pero carry. Para lang sa global force natin. Diba? Okay, Jane, sabayan po natin yung song. Tapos pass nyo lang yung mic, Miss Dana. In 3, 2, 1, instrumental, go!
Anyway, this is what baby I don't wanna show. A lot of chocolate makes me brownie for some more. Like the sweetest candy in the store. But it's this feeling I want. You're making me blush. My sugar rush.
Hey! Let's give it up for group number 1. Congratulations, group number 1. Successful sila. Walang daya talaga, guys. Diba? Naka 30 seconds sila. But congratulations, group number 1. Thank you so much to our first 4 blooms for joining us dito. Congrats, guys!
Congrats, Ate Maloy.
Okay, now let's have our second group, Maloy, Gwen, She, and Jo. And of course, our next 4 blooms to join us. I think that is, again, Miss Kriza, Uno, V, and yung last is Miss Jaya. Okay, let's have them here. Okay. Ang song ng group number 2 is Unang Kilig. Okay? So let's have our mahiwagang Unang Kilig bowl. Go. Claim your lyrics. Okay, this is Unang Kilig. Okay, 20 seconds to arrange, okay? 20 seconds to arrange the lyrics for Unang Kilig. In 3, 2, 1, timer starts now! Okay, may nagbibilang dyan. Go ahead. Okay, there you go. Ay, ang bilis. Okay na? Ang bilis nila! How many seconds po yun? With 4 seconds left. So, ibig sabihin, naka 16 seconds lang sila for group number 2. Congratulations. And dahil dyan, it's time to sing your song. Ay, wait lang, sorry. Kuha lang ako ng mic dito. Okay, the first one, Jo, ikaw yung muna. Okay, instrumental for Unang Kilig starts now.
Oh, nakakabaliw tong pag-ibig. Gusto mo na lang ba sa akin bang galing? Gusto mo ba malaman anong iniisip? Short from the time when you whine and repeat. Here's why I guarantee. Walang tulad sa isang unang
Congratulations, guys! And maraming salamat to also our Blooms who joined us. Thank you, Beanie and Blooms, for joining us for our Beanie Verse and Chorus game. Okay. So, alam naman natin, the reason kung bakit we played this game, Beanie Verse and Chorus, is because I think sino mga nandun nung Beanie-fied? Yes, sa Philippine Arena. So basically, my announcement yung Beanie that they wanted some Blooms or songwriters to join them in creating a song. Kaya naman, I think it's very exciting for us to announce that our Beanie Verse and Chorus will be showing this month. Kaya naman, to watch the trailer, we have our TVs placed there. Let's all watch this.
You back the love by listening to it and by recognizing the potential. We received more than 300 entries, want to make songs for you. Thank you everyone. We'll split up the 300 songs into 4 days.
I see potential. Yung vibe ng song, ako, gusto ko siya. Kung imagine ko na yung beat sa mga harmonies, dito mo kung may choreo yun. Kailangan natin itaas kung feeling natin deserve na makasali sa tayo. Feeling natin natin anak namin yung police. Makuha ko ng kantang. Kung ako sa next level yung song nyo, congratulations.
Okay, so once again, this is Beanie Verse and Chorus, which is a 10-episode reality show coming out this May 21. The first show, or this is the first show ever to have this kind of execution where Blooms get a chance to write songs for Beanie. And dahil dyan, syempre, I would like to call again yung mga Blooms that joined us a while ago for our Beanie Verse and Chorus game. Dahil meron po tayong pa-Q&A with you guys. Yes, please join us here in front po. Yes. Okay. Hello, Miss Crizia, Miss Uno, and we also have, yes, Miss Eunice, and Miss Dean. Okay, first question. Okay. What is your all-time favorite Beanie lyric? Diba? I love the song. Pagpalakpakan po natin siya, Blooms. Perfect. Ikaw naman, what is your all-time favorite Beanie lyric?
Huling cha-cha. Simple lang naman
Record ka natin.
Yes, mahinhin lang siya, di ba? I love it. Ay, ikaw naman, Miss Eunice, all-time favorite Beanie lyric?
From Carrero.
Yes, diba? Si Ate Maloy daw, si Auntie Maloy. Okay, ito, Miss Dane.
sa nabago. Dito muna pa.
Parang ibang ano.
Dito muna tayo hanggang ang langit ay maging kulay. And then,
Dito muna tayo, 90s version. Second version.
Yes, gets. Okay, Miss Shane, ikaw.
sa Carrera din po. Handa, buhay ay di karera.
Yes, okay, and last but not the least, Miss Jaya. All-time favorite, ay may pa, I love it. Okay, Miss Jaya.
Katabi. I can't wait to see you again.
Ay, diba? Okay, next question. If you could write a song for Beanie, what would the title be?
Forever.
Forever. Okay, ikaw naman, Miss Dane.
Baka Joy yung next kasi may hope na, may love na. Baka Joy.
Please stay forever.
Forevermore.
Okay. I love it. O, diba? Napaka-creative talaga ng mga blooms natin. Guys, palakpakan po natin yung mga 8 blooms who joined us for our Beavers and Chorus. Napakaganda ng ideas nyo. Thank you guys so much. Maraming salamat. You guys can now take your seats and enjoy the rest of the show. But before anything, of course, I think our global leader is here. Yes, global leader, Miss Joanna Robles. Global leader. Yes. Okay. Go, Jo. Is there anything else you want to say about Beanieverse and Chorus? Go ahead.
Yes, mapapanood nyo na po ang Beanieverse and Chorus po sa I Want app and I Want YouTube channel for free. Plus, ang Beanieverse and Chorus po kasi, anyone can send their entries po ng own song nila kasi syempre may mga talented Bloom songwriters tayo. Katulad nung nandito lang namin, Bloom yung nagsulat nun. So, di ba? Di nyo alam, baka mamaya yung mga songs nyo yung next na ipe-perform natin sa concerts, di ba? Kung may talent kayo, pwedeng magpasa dito sa Beanieverse and Chorus. Tapos, pwede rin kayong tumulong sa amin sa pag-vote. Anyone can vote para matulungan nyo kami sa magiging final pick namin. Kasi hindi pa po tapos. Yung mapapanood nyo dito, yung mga kita kaninang teaser, nasa ano pa lang kami, parang nasa 12 yung last namin. Pero syempre madami pa yun. Kailangan pa namin mamili. And nahihirapan din kami magbawas. So tulungan nyo kami. Yung teaser, inutusan, tulungan nyo kami. Tapos, yung episodes na to, back-to-back, drop po yan every Thursday and Friday starting on May 21 and 22. Abangan nyo po yan. Masaya yan. Medyo masakit na sa ulo kasi from 100 songs, 300 songs, isa po naming Beanie ang pinakinggan po talaga namin. So sana ma-appreciate niyo, Blues!
Gusto ko malaman, Jo, sa 300 songs na yun, may pa-mash up ba kayo ng mga lyrics or ideas from the songs?
May mga comments kami na may potential, may mga comments kami na bago for Beanie, na gusto namin i-try. Tapos pwede ba? Wag na. Sige, basta abangan na guys.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, Jo. Again, that is Beanieverse and Chorus again for free on the I Want app and I Want YouTube channel. Watch out starting May 21 and 22, 2026. We're so excited to hear yung mga gawa talaga ng mga talented blooms and songwriters natin. So, abangan niyo ulit. And ito, syempre, the moment we've all been waiting for also. I think it is time for our very intimate Marian date with our girls as they will be rotating per table. Meron po tayo 2 minutes per table, yes. And we have very strict rules po na yung mga phones niyo po, our volunteers will be putting them in a container para mas intimate talaga and mas, ano tawag dito? Diba mas genuine yung interaction natin with Beanie. So again, our Marian Date interaction segment, each Beanie member will visit one table at a time for 2 minutes and after 2 minutes, our girls will rotate to the next table. So this will all continue until all 8 members have visited all of the tables. And again, no phones po for this segment. Our volunteers are now getting your phones para mas intimate and mas genuine po yung interaction natin with Beanie. Okay? And we can start, I think, we have a total of 8 tables with 11 members. So table number 1, Jo. Table number 2, Sheena. Table number 3, Gwen. Table number 4, Maloy. Table number 5, Staku. Table number 6, Aya. 7, Meeks. And 8, Colette. So we'd like to invite our girls. You guys can now head on over to your tables. And again, we have a total of 2 minutes with Beanie. And I will be timing you guys and reminding you guys. Yes, Jo, go. Table number 1. Table number 2 is she. 3 is Gwen. 4 is Maloy. 5 is Staku. 6 is Aya. 7 is Meeks. Guys, sorry, sorry.
Pilipinas din. Mabigat ba? Mabigat ba Pilipinas?
Okay, 2 minutes is now up. Let's rotate to the next table. So you girls know the next number. So basically, si Colette goes to table number 1. Mix goes to 8. Si Joe goes to 2. So on and so forth. I think all our girls are in the table now. So 2 minutes starts now.
Last 30 seconds, please.
Dala mo yung ano mo?
Last 10 seconds, please. Okay, time is up. Time is up. Let's have our girls switch tables po.
Umabot. Sabi ko kasi ilaw. Ano to ilaw? 50 watt? Ano mo na? Ah, gamit mo? Sa'yo mo na. Gamit mo? Sa'yo mo na. May flash ba yan? Wala. Ito lang naman madami. Meron ka ba? Parang ang hirap eh.
Okay, I think all of our girls are in their respective tables. So timer, 2 minutes starts now.
Kailan mo sila? Parang wala.
Ayaw po kasi for president.
Last 30 seconds.
Son.
One more.
Vibes. Baka may wipes kayo. Wipe.
Hindi siya kita. Sorry. Ay, sorry. One more.
Okay, 2 minutes is up. Thank you for listening. Okay.
Good. Yeah.
All girls are now your tables. 2 minutes starts now.
Kaya nga.
Ay, sorry ko. Nakakita talaga to.
Let's have our Your starts now.
Alam, may advice sa'yo. Kasama mo ka. Kamilyan po siya.
So last two verses. Okay, don't worry. Hindi pa nagsisart yung timer. Okay. Girls are here now, alive and available. 2 minutes. Okay.
Ilang ikot?
20 seconds.
Ganun na. So last two.
Okay, 2 minutes is up. This is going to be our last rotation for today, okay? Okay, timer starts now.
DIY ka rin ba?
Kailangan halata kasi yung mga iba tayo nasa loob yan. Ate, very good.
Madali pa lang mag-usap.
Sorry, sorry.
Last 3 seconds.
Baka maano siya sa Ilan sila? Ilan sila?
20 na kami ngayon.
Yung noisy.
2 minutes is not up. Thank you so much to our blooms and of course being here and being part of our intimate Marian date. Yes. Maraming salamat to our 88 blooms, and we would also like to remind our volunteers that our phones will still be in the containers as we will move on to our next segment. Girls, tara na! Girls, Ate Jo! Ate Jo! Ate Jo! Ate Jo! Tara na! Ate Jo! Ate Jo! Ate Jo! Uy, lagi na si Mika Lim! One, two, three, four. Weavers. Hi, Weavers.
Good night.
Okay. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Naka ano ko? 3,000 words.
8.
Ako naka...
Okay, a quick reminder lang po sa mga volunteers po, we still have the Blooms' phones in the container po. As we have our last segment for today, this is going to be our meet and greet portion. Yes, as we have our tables here. And meron po tayong official photographer. By table po ulit to, where you guys can have our official photo with Beanie. Okay.
Okay, thanks. Uy, Weavers.
Okay, I think our girls are ready. Let's start things off with table, siguro, okay, let's start with table number 8 since sila yung yung last table natin. Table number 8, please make your way dito on stage for a quick photo op with Beanie. Okay, so I think we'll have the bloom sit sa carpet.
Oh, napaka-show na. Ay, kuya.
Okay, this is table number 8.
Kuya, palipat. Kuya.
Again, we would like to remind everyone na meron po tayong official photographer here.
Okay.
Let's all smile in 3, 2, 1.
Last one. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Table number 8, table number 7, please make your way to our stage and we'll ask table number 6 to prepare. Again, table number 7, please make your way here, and table 6, please prepare. There you go, table number 7 and table number 6, please prepare.
Okay.
Pasok, compress lang po konti there para kita po lahat. Let's all smile.
Okay na po. Okay, 3,
In
2,
3, 2, 1.
1. Last one. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Table number 7, table number 6, please make your way here. And table number 5, please prepare. Okay, again, table number 6, please make your way to the stage. As for table number 5, please prepare. Okay, table number 6, it's your time to shine.
Pwede ba po sa inyo? Okay po, here po. Kuya. 3, 2, 1. Last one. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Table number 6, table number 5, please make your way here. Sa table number 4, you guys can also make your way here na rin. Para prepared lang po tayo sa sequencing of tables. Okay, again, calling table number 5, table number 4, you guys can prepare here as well.
Hi po, here po. 3, 2, 1. Another one. Last one. Thank you.
Thank you so much! Sorry, anong table po ulit to? 5, okay. Okay, table number 4, you guys can now head on over here. Table number 3, please line up. Let's have you guys here and here.
Ay, wow. Ay, alisin mo na lang.
Huwag mo nalagay, huwag mo nalagay.
Huwag mo nalagay. Pahirapan na pa kami. Ay, atras. Compress lang po.
Okay, compress lang.
Okay.
Table number 4.
Ate, this one. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Last one. Thank you. Thank you po.
Thank you, table number 4. Table number 3, please make your way here. Table number 2, we can prepare na po.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Tingin po. Last one. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Table number 3. Table number 2, make your way here. Table number 1, you guys can prepare.
Ilan na viewers mo?
Okay, table number 2.
Okay, dito po. Tingin po. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Malabas yun lang. Thank you po. Magalitan na kasi.
Thank you so much. Table number 2, table number 1. Let's make our way to the stage. And of course, our table, our special bloom table, you guys can now prepare as you are after table number 1. We have a special bloom table. Please make your way here.
Okay. My year po. Ate. Thank you po. 3, 2, 1. Last one. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Table number 1. Ngayon naman, we have our special balloons.
Yeah, per sports. Yeah. So, Pablo, tigil sa photo.
Ngayon naman, we would like to ask our sponsors to prepare as well as you guys also have a photo op with Beanie. Starting things off with Pablo's Perry Shawarma and Drinks. Please make your way to the stage. Maraming salamat sa our special balloons. Again, calling on our sponsors. We have here Pablo's Perry Shawarma and Drinks. We would also like to call on Premium Grazing Table by Kaidance, Photo Snap Photo Booth, Cafe Now Tandang Ko, Omaido Coffee Cart and Pastries, and Pop-Up Bao Dim Sum. Please prepare. Okay, again, Pablo's Perry Shawarma and Drinks, maraming salamat for being one of our sponsors for today's event. Ngayon naman, Premium Grazing Table by Kaidance. Please make your way to the stage. Premium Grazing Table by Kaidance. Please make your way here. photo booth. Next, we have Cafe na Tandang po, Oh My Dough Coffee Cart and Pastries. Okay, thank you so much po. Next, we have Pop-Up Bao Dim Sum Food Cart. Okay? Last but not the least, we have Bloom Event Styling. Yes, again, Bloom Event Styling. Please come up on stage. I think sila po yung nag-style dito sa backdrop natin. Oh, yes. Okay, sorry. Last na po to. Of course, our HR volunteers who joined us to help us facilitate our intimate meridian date with Beanie. Again, calling on our HR volunteers.
Segue mo na lang. Ano sabihin natin?
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Ano pangalan?
Sa, ano yun eh, sa akin eh. Like, pamangkin ko yun, Mark.
Sa staff ka lang. Sa staff. The team. Picture. Picture with the staff.
Okay. Sorry, meron pa.
The staff.
The staff who helped us also for our event today.
That's it. I think that's it. Marshall?
Yes, after this yung Marshalls naman naman.
Dala?
Yay! The Marshalls! Thank you for protecting our nation's girl group!
Sayaw, sayaw, sayaw!
Next time magper-perform na sila sa Coachella. Ito, our nation's Marshalls! Nation's Marshalls! Gusto ko malaman, sino yung bias mo sa Marshalls? Ay, si Kuya Daniel daw bias niya.
Ay, nakata ko!
Hello? Thank you so much, and that concludes our photo op with Beanie. Maraming salamat. But of course, before we let you guys go, I'm sure you guys have a message sa Blooms natin. Go ahead. Hello?
Hi Blooms! Thank you so much again for coming here. Grabe, alam kong kung saan kayo galing, may mga ganap kayo, nag-leave kayo, pero nag-effort pa rin kayong mapunta dito and deserve niyong mapili as our lucky night. Lucky 88 for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the food, enjoyed us, enjoyed the moment and everything. I love you so much, Bloom. See you sa concert namin. Sabi ang ganap namin. Love you, Blooms. 2, 3. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, last photo of Dopo. This is for Star Magic. Let's have a quick photo.
Kayo daw. Sa'yo.
For waivers din.
Ayun na, meron na kayo. Ayan na.
Dapat mas makakagaling ka!
Okay. Thank you so much. Once again, guys, let's greet Beanie. Welcome back, Beanie. Woo! Thank you so much. Again, our nation's girl group is here. Thank you so much, Beanie. Maraming salamat to our 88 groups. Thank you. Team Bahay, maraming salamat also. Happy birthday, Miss MQ. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss MQ. Happy birthday, Miss MQ. Maraming salamat sa our 88 blooms and to Beanie yon.
Wala yun. Wala.
Uy, ba?
Smile.
3, 2, 1. Last one. Thank you.
Yay! Alarma! Dalawang beses. Doon ka na. Hindi ka na. Ako ka na sa live stream.
Hindi ako pwede pala. Let's go, guys!